The term smart factory creates visions of robots, Wi-Fi devices, streaming data, and digital displays. But the one image smart factory usually does not conjure is that of the face of your employees. But it should, and here's why. Of all the smart factory devices there are on the market, none are smarter than the human brain. Hi, I'm Eric Whitley, Account Director here at L2L, and welcome to this fifth and final video in our Chalk Talk video series on the 5 essentials of a smart factory. The final and by no means least important essential for a smart factory is the empowered employee. For years, those of us in manufacturing have dreamed a vision of the utopian plant floor where workers, technology, and machinery all come together to seamlessly produce products. Sharing this vision and then empowering workers to make it happen will be the catalyst your company needs to turn this dream into reality. With the advent of cloud computing technology, the proliferation of mobile devices on the plant floor, and advanced software design techniques like that found in social media, today's factory employees have all the tools they need to become the absolute best source of data of what is actually happening on the shop floor. Having the right information collected by the right people with the right smart factory devices will give your organization the clear path to take action on that data and continuously improve your business now and into the future. Search for the world's best-in-class manufacturing factories and discover a list of companies that have empowered their employees to drive change and improve their processes. Empowerment in the improvement process is and will always be an essential part of your company's success story. And involving your employees in the smart factory journey is no different. If you want to learn more about the smart factory, check out our other videos on the 5 essentials of the smart factory, or go to l2l.com and download our free ebook on A Smarter Approach to the Smart Factory. Again, I'm Eric Whitley with L2L, and thanks for watching.